1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. The clutch is in the way. 6. Do you guys remember last episode? Sanded them shits down. These are the 6 that came out of here. Why they all gotta be different sizes? Couldn't really get the angle grinder in there. Clean. Maybe I'll get some sandpaper on the block. So I'm in this shed putting the ladder away. These are my ramp truck fenders, and that's my ramp truck hood. Weed whacked around her, nice and clean. Got myself 2 gallons of cherries. Make me some cherry pie. Cherry pie and ramp truck. Alright, so next time I come out here, I'm gonna figure out how to. These sliders are new for me. We gotta get rid of this hole, and find some bolts. And get our seat bolted in. Alright, it's all tight. This bolt, as you can see, some head material on it, stripped out, pulled out. It's too short. Use the longer one from taking this apart. So this is cast iron instead of like a crushed gasket. So gotta get a new one of those. Alright, so I got these cool slip over gaskets. This side goes towards the head. Let's see if I can't get that one in there. I really can't. There we go. There we go. Now it's in. One more. This guy. Again, this towards the head. Perfect. Now to tighten that shit up.